In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Looker Studio data to Google Sheets efficiently. Whether you're aiming for a quick manual export or looking into more automated solutions, you'll find this guide helpful and easy to follow. Let's start with a quick overview of how you can manually export data from Looker Studio to Google Sheets. First, begin by opening your Looker Studio report. Make sure you are in View mode, as this setting allows you to interact with the report elements in the way we need for exporting data. Once you're in, hover your mouse over the chart that you want to export. You'll notice a three-dot menu, which is typically found at the top right corner of the chart. This menu is key because it provides the exporting options we're looking for. When you click on this three-dot menu, or alternatively, right-click on the chart, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the Export option. It's a straightforward tool that's incredibly useful for transferring your data quickly and directly. After selecting Export, you'll need to choose Google Sheets as the export format. This choice will direct the chart data to be sent into a new Google Sheet with a simple click. Now, there's an optional step here that can make a big difference depending on how you want your data to appear. There's an option called Keep Value Formatting. If you choose to check this option, any number and date formats from your Looker Studio chart will be retained in the Google Sheet. This can help maintain the consistency and readability of your data, especially if those formats are crucial to your analysis or presentation. Once you've made these selections, the data from the chart will be sent directly to a new Google Sheet. It's as simple as that. Although this is a manual process, it's quick and ensures that your data moves seamlessly into Google Sheets. Manually exporting data is fantastic for one-time tasks or for those smaller data sets you might be working with. However, if you frequently need to move data or are working with larger data sets that require regular updates, you might want to consider automation options as well. Automation can save you time and effort by streamlining the process, ensuring your data is always up to date and properly formatted without needing to repeat these steps manually. And there we have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily and accurately export your data from Looker Studio to Google Sheets. Whether you choose the manual route or decide to explore automation for future tasks, you now have the knowledge to get started. Thanks for watching, and happy data exporting.